how are you now? Like,
Real.
and recently we saw the picture of course, your kid.
Oh, so, no, but I like it. So it's so fulfilling. Sabi ko nga, siguro iniisip
Kailan mo
ko.
ba introduce? Kailan ba magre-reveal?
Hindi ko alam.
Family reveal.
It just, hindi naman, kaya na sinabi, hindi naman sa tinatago ko sila kasi when we live our lives openly. Pero it's for myself
Just
lang
not on
since.
social media.
Yeah, kasi I experienced that nga before where my work and my life was so wala nang scene. It was so blurred together. It's almost like just a reminder for myself, like of being grateful for what I have. I like keeping that boundary really clear. Na ang sarap na parang uniform yung pag-arte. Pag uwi mo sa bahay, tinatanggal mo yung uniform. Si Dada, ang Dada.
You become dad.
Yeah. Ang sarap na ganun. So, mas na-excite ako magtrabaho at mas na-excite ako umuwi. Kasi the two are different worlds. Hindi yung dati na parang isa lang. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa trabaho, pag uwi mo, it's still a part of it. Parang they both bleed into each other. This time, like, I'm more grateful for both. Hindi ko take for granted yung isa, yung dalawa. Yung trabaho mo. Kasi sometimes hindi natin na-realize na may ganun na pala. We take for granted our work, we take for granted our family life. And here, with that boundary, mas na-appreciate ko sila pareho.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You got married pala second time around. 2 years ago ba? Tama?
No, walang tayo. But I did na. A year ago po. Yeah.
Di ba sa States yan? Sa States yan. Okay.
Secret lang,
Yeah,
private
just
lang.
private. And I like it better that way.
Ay, mo na nung dati.
Hindi naman, parang para sa akin, I can't speak for everyone else. But for me, this works for me.
Maybe because hindi siya showbiz, no? Kaya ganon.
Yeah, and I like it better na ganun din.